Welcome to the Allier National Nature Reserve. It's at the heart of the Bourbonnais region that we find ourselves. Here, you will be able to discover a place where nature remains the master over the territory. The Allier River winds and carves the landscape. Since 1994, man has protected this area, whether it be flora or fauna, thanks to the establishment of some of the strongest regulatory measures in France, the National Nature Reserve. The reserve hosts an impressive abundance of flora and fauna. 266 species of birds, 51 of mammals, 660 plants and over 1,000 beetles, all living in harmony on over 500 hectares of land. The area is also one of the vastest river reserves of France and extends across 20 kilometers of the course of the river. The Allier River is considered one of the last wild rivers of Western Europe. Surely water is the dominant element here. This river, less impacted than the majority of rivers in Europe, is able to freely flow and extends across a vast zone known as the space of mobility. We are therefore talking about fluvial processes. The Allier generates a complex assembly of greatly diversified areas: gravel bars, sand beaches, oxbow scours, wooded banks, prairies, moors, and riparian forest. This creates a rich diversity of landscapes and biodiversity. The reserve is sculpted by the river. 10 access points to the reserve make it easily accessible to the public. It is possible to do numerous activities: hiking, kayak, mountain biking, fishing, as long as it is done on the shoreline, and wildlife observation. The reserve offers during all seasons and without the need to be a specialist, the possibility to observe the flora and fauna. Nature outings are often organized. As the reserve is a regulatory means of protection, certain rules need to be followed. The Allier Nature Reserve is amongst the places with the largest amount of bird species. One is able to observe close to 70% of the bird species present in the area. The reserve awaits you for some fabulous nature moments at the heart of Allier.